Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you what to do if your HP ELITEBOOK 855 freezes. So if you can't do anything, then the best option is to try to forcefully shut it down. You do that by clicking and holding the power on button for a couple of seconds. And now it is forcefully shut down. If it's not working for you, then you may need to unplug it from the charger and leave it overnight to let it completely die of battery. If none of this is working, then unfortunately the best solution is to go into a computer store and check your laptop. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.